Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So what we have here is a storage cage, and these are very common to get broken into. As you can see here, basically this is a barrel bolt or a pad bolt, and they just bend and break these and the padlock gets all destroyed. Sometimes they flex these apart. Either which way, it gets broken into very easily. These are just welded on cheap ideas. So what we're going to do is we're going to improve this, and I'll show you before and after. All right, let's get going. Probably about here. Okay, so that's a finished product, stainless steel 10mm, or it might be 8mm stainless steel bolts with the shear offs. Can't be undone. Standard 45mm padlock. We'll get that out of the way. Come through and clip. That's it. Thanks for watching.